Democrats, leave Donald Trump alone. Democrats, leave Donald Trump alone. Donald Trump is not a problem of America. Donald Trump is not a problem of America. If Donald Trump was the president of America, this thing that is going on in Ukraine will not happen. I could remember when this young man, the president of North Korea, this guy was disturbing, and Donald Trump visited North Korea so that there will be peace. He visited North Korea so that there will be peace. Democrat, leave Donald Trump alone. Donald Trump is not the problem of America. Assuming what you people are saying against Donald Trump, assuming if it were true, if it is true, assuming, I want to know the sin that Donald Trump have committed in America, is it greater than the sin that the Democrat Party have committed in America? Democrat, leave Donald Trump alone. Donald Trump is not the problem of America. The sin that Democrats have committed in America is greater than the sin that Donald Trump have committed. Democrat, if they give you the head of John the Baptist, what will you use it to do? If they give you the head of Donald Trump, what will you use the head of Donald Trump do? You people are fighting against Donald Trump because of 2024 election. You people don't want Donald Trump to become the president of America. But God Almighty will destroy all their plans against Donald Trump. Through this man, America will be great. Through this man, Donald Trump, America will be better place. Donald Trump is fighting evil. And I want all the Christians all over the world. I want all the Christians all over the world. Please pray for Donald Trump. All the Christians all over the world, both in Africa, please pray for Donald Trump. This battle is between light and darkness. This battle is between light and darkness. I pray that God will protect Donald Trump. God bless Donald Trump, and God bless America.